Vrindavan from Jagannath Puri and by walk. So as he passed from Odisha to UP, he has to pass through Jharkhand. That time Jharkhand was not there, but forest is known as Jharkhand from that time. So he went through that Jharkhand forest, and in that forest, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chanted melodiously, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. So as he chanted melodiously the song Hare Krishna Mahamantra, this Jharkhand forest was inhabited by varieties of wild animals, including the tigers, lions, wolves. So all of them, they joined Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They danced with him. That means the deers and the tigers together, they were dancing. So that is the power of Krishna's purity. His purity is so much, even two dreaded enemies, they can forget their enmity and can become friends. That's his level of purity. So Krishna and Jiva, Mamevamsa Jiva Loke, Jiva Bhuta Sanatana, Manasasthani Indriyani, Prakriti Sthani Prasati. So we had talked about Krishna. Are you satisfied with this description of Krishna? How many of you are satisfied? Okay. How many of you are not satisfied? Nobody? So, now we talked about Krishna. Of course, you cannot speak about Krishna. More you speak, more you feel limited. But we have, and I have tried my best within the limited time to convey the message. Now, who are we? We understood Krishna as God, He is infinite, and He is inconceivable personality, infinitely pure. We talked all these things. Who we are, right? And Krishna gives the answer in Bhagavad Gita. Amevamsa jiva loke, jiva bhuta sanatana, manasasthani indriyani, prakriti sthani prasati. The living entities in this conditioned world are my eternal fragmental parts. Due to conditioned life, they are struggling very hard with six senses, which include mind. Basically, living entities in this conditioned world are part and parcel of Krishna. We are all part and parcel of Krishna. But because we have been associating with Jad, the inert energy of Krishna, from time immemorial, our behavior has become that of inert, as if we are lifeless. Right? And so, if you see here the difference between Krishna and Jiva, we will discuss about Jiva tomorrow in detail. But today, this will be sufficient for you. Krishna is the supreme conscious being, and Jiva is tiny conscious being. He is infinite, and we are infinitesimal. We are atomic in nature, and He is infinite. Is that clear to everyone? Now, Krishna's free will are unlimited, and His desires always gets fulfilled. Whatever He wants, this will happen. If God wants something, that will going to happen. You may desire. Each one of us may desire. And that desire hardly gets satisfied. We desire so many things, isn't it? In your life, how many dreams you have seen? We may see so many dreams, and hardly a dream gets fulfilled. Right? Krishna thinks for everyone, because that is His ability. We are His son, and He is our Father. So He naturally thinks for all of us. But we hardly think for others. We only think for our selfish needs. Krishna loves all. And Jiva cannot love anyone unless we start loving Krishna. When you love Krishna, then only you can love Jiva. Because I cannot love Jiva. A Jiva cannot love Jiva because I am conditioned. A conditioned living being cannot love another conditioned living being because love is a trait of a pure soul. I cannot have love because I am conditioned. I am impure. I am suffering from kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya, lust, greed, anger, pride, illusion, envy. All these things are within me. I cannot love. Not possible. Love is a pure trait. And that is possible if I associate with Krishna. Krishna is full of love. Rasa Vaishnava. If you associate with Krishna, you will become loving. Okay? Conclusion. Krishna is the supreme divine person. All of us can establish sweet personal relationship with him. His servant, his friend, his parents, his lover, everything rests within him. He is the ultimate servant of everyone. All kinds of inauspicious activities within this world are manifestations of our dirty desires. Krishna is a mere witness, but not at all responsible. I do nonsense activity, but just like if you come to IIT Kanpur and booze, it's not for the parents. It's your fault. You may say, no, my parents gave me money. No, you can't say that. Right? Your parents gave you money doesn't mean that they gave you the license to booze here. So similarly, when we do any dirty things, we are responsible for that. Krishna is not. He has facilitated. And when we see all that he has arranged for us, we should feel indebted to him, grateful to him, and should look forward to associate with him. And the best way to associate with him, chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So all of you can you chant with me for 2 minutes. So you can observe yourself. We will with a small simple tune we will say Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Everyone. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, nobody can cheat you. Eh? No Ram can come and cheat you. Right? This is what you have to do. You just chant. It's free. No price. No money. It's free. Eh? How many of you think that you can chant this mantra? Thank you. Please chant. Please chant. And this will give you all benefits. All benefits. Okay, everything you desire. I am associating with Krishna. What better thing you can have than associating with Krishna? This is the association with Krishna. You associate with Krishna, you derive all pleasure, all happiness. Thank you very much. Today we have not cooked a full feast because it is a weekday, everybody is busy, and my wife didn't have much support to cook. So she has made some halwa. A lot of halwa is there. So you can go enjoy the halwa and then you can go to your mass. And, thank you very much. Hare Krishna.